Hello my dear students. A questions, very important questions that I have already written in the board. You can see. Okay, listen to me very carefully and be ready for solutions. Okay, please read once. A sales agent is paid Rs 4,000 every month and a commission of 0.8% on total sales. If he receives Rs 5,192 at the end of month, find the total sales. So try to understand the questions. Okay, try to understand the questions. A sales agent is paid Rs 4,000 every month. That is his basic salary. What? That is his basic salary. Basic salary of sales agent is Rs 4,000. 4,000 and a commission percent is also given, that is rate of commissions of salesman that he would get by selling the goods. So commission, rate of commission that given in the questions is rate of commission. Rate of commission is equal to 0.8 percentage on the total sales. Okay, the question is if he receives 5,192 at the end of month. Okay, question, try to understand the questions, find the total sales. Okay, तपाईहरुले क्वेशन राम्रोसँग पढ्नु भयो भने के बुझ्नुहुन्छ भनेपछि एउटा सेल्स एजेन्टले 4,000 के गर्छ त उसको मासिक इन्कम छ, मासिक तलब छ र उसले 0.8% टोटल सेलको 0.8% उले केमा पाउँछ त कमिसनको रूपमा पाउँछ र उसको एट द एन्ड अफ मन्थ कुनै मन्थको लास्टमा उले पाउने अमाउन्ट के रहेछ त 5,192. That means this amount is his basic salary plus commission amount, that is gross amount, that is his gross amount at the end of month. Okay, that is his gross amount at the end of month, at the end of month is equal to Rs 5,192. So my dear students, we have already known about gross amount is the, so okay, make a equation. Gross amount is basic salary plus commission amount, basic salary plus commission amount. Okay, gross amount is already given, basic salary is already given. So from here we can calculate the commission amount. So what is the commission amount? Commission amount is equal to basic salary, that is 4,000, commission amount is gross amount minus basic salary. So gross amount is Rs 5,192 minus basic salary is 4,000, isn't it? S. So 2,911 Rs 1,192 is his commission amount, and question is asked about find the total sales, that is total SP. Okay, gross amount, basic salary plus commission amount. From here we are able to calculate commission amount very easily. That is our answer is 1192. Don't be confused. Commission amount, here it goes each side and subtracting from the gross amount minus basic salary is your commission amount. So now the challenge is how you find the total sales, and that is very easy, that you have already known about the rate of commission percent. Okay, I am going to write here again commission, rate of commission is rate of commission is equal to what? Commission amount upon SP, that is total sale multiply by 100%. Okay, very easy. We are very aware about this formula. Okay, so from here okay, don't be okay. From here rate of commission is given, that is 0.8 is equal to commission amount also given, that is 1192 upon 1192 is your commission amount, and SP is we have to find the selling price of the total sales that the agent is made into 100. So from here SP is equal to 119200 upon 0.8. Okay, so here okay 149 RS 149. So RS 1,49,000 is your total SP. So total sales is equal, therefore total sales is equal to RS 1,49,000 is your answer. So my dear students, very easy questions, and you are able to solution that questions. You are able to solve that questions in the very easy way. If you are try to understand the concept of the commission, that question was made very easy. Okay, once again I recall you the solution of these questions, and the questions was a sales agent is paid Rs 4,000 every month and a commission of 0.8% on total sales if he receives Rs 5,192 at the end of month. Okay, my dear students, if you read the questions very carefully, the question give us basic salary, that is 4,000, commission percentage, that is rate of the commissions 0.8%, and gross amount at the end of that month. Okay, so total amount, gross amount is the total amount, is basic salary included with commission amount. So from here we can easily find out commission amount. So commission amount is gross amount minus basic salary, that is our 4,000 is subtracting from 5,192 and became 1,192, and the challenge is how to find the rate total SP, total sales that was made by the agent. Don't we hesitate. If you are find total sales, go through the commission percentage, because once you know about the commission amount, rate of commission, you are able to find out the total sales or SP very easily. Okay, So using the formula of rate of commission, that is commission amount upon total sales multiply by 100 give us the total sales. That is rate of commission is 0.8, commission amount is 1192, SP is, that is find out, that is we have to find, okay, in multiply by 100. So SP is equal to 1192 00 by divided by 0.8. So SP is equal to 1,49,000 is your total sales at that month. Okay, I'm again going to pick another questions. Okay, my dear students, one another very important questions, that is agent sold some carpet at the rate of. Our question is agent sold some carpet at the rate of Rs 4,500 each. 4,500 each. 4,500 each. That is unit price of a carpet. So here's unit price of carpet. Unit price of carpet was given, that is Rs 4,500. Okay, and received Rs 9,000 as commission. So 9,000 is your commission amount. Commission amount is equal to Rs 9,000, and the rate of commission is Rs rate of commission. Rate of commission is equal to 10%. So my dear students, find the number of carpet he sold. One thing that you remind, that unit price of the carpet is given. So let n number of the carpet that he would sold. Okay, so here solution here, now let n be the number of carpet he sold. N be the number of carpet that he sold. Okay, let n be the number of carpet that he sold. So dear students, total sales can be found. Total sales can be found in the terms of n. So total sales is equal to unit price multiply by the number of carpet. So total sale is equal to unit price is 4,500 multiply by n. Okay, so total sale that is SP is equal to 4,500 times n, isn't it? Yes. Now we can find in very easy way the number of the carpet that is sold. Okay, we have commission amount, we have rate of commission. So rate of commission is equal to commission amount upon SP multiply by 100. So from here rate of commission is 10% is equal to commission amount is, I think, your commission amount is 9,000. Yes, commission amount is 9,000 and USP is 4,500 times n multiply by 100. Okay, dear students, so 10n is equal to 200, n is equal to 200 by 10, that is number of carpet is 20. Number of carpet n is equal to 20, and that is our answer. Okay. So my dear students, this is the very easy questions. One thing that you remind that once if you are trying to solve any questions, first you try to know about the questions, that the information that given by the questions, okay. Then after use the formula, then after use the concept, okay. So basically here the questions, in the questions, in price of the carpet is given, then after commission amount is given, then after rate of the commission is given, okay. So let he sold n number of carpet and we have one carpet, price of one carpet is given. So total sales can be easily determined by multiplying total unit price of the carpet into number of carpet, that is n. So total sales is equal to 4500 n, and use formula of rate of commission, that is commission amount upon SP into 100. So by using this formula and calculating, solving, we have to find number of carpet, we can find number of carpet, that is 20 number of carpet. So dear students, stay safe and stay safe, stay home and do as much as question as possible. Okay, thank you.